The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
All is quiet for us right now. A little more cloud cover south, a little bit more in the way of some breaks in the clouds further north, but we are all dry. Not for long because of that guy. All right, this is a coastal cutoff low that's heading northwest into our neck of the woods here pretty soon. Within the next 24 hours or so, we're going to be getting wet across southwest, central, and south side Virginia. So let's track it alongside you. This coastal low is going to eventually make its way onshore in South Carolina. Certainly the Carolina is going to be wetter than us this holiday weekend, but we're not going to be immune to the rain by any means. The rain starts for areas potentially south of 460 by mid-afternoon tomorrow. Between 2, 3, 4 o'clock, that is when we're going to start to see some rain pushing in. Again, tomorrow during the daylight hours, NRV south side, you're wetter than the highlands. Not much rain will fall tomorrow during the day up north. Saturday night into Sunday, everybody gets wet, okay? May not rain the entirety of Saturday night and Sunday, but we're certainly going to have periods of rain, several waves of showers pushing through at that point because of this storm near the coast. So occasional rain will become the name of the game for us here Saturday night, Sunday, potentially even into Sunday night. Monday does not look as wet as Sunday. So Memorial Day, about a 40 to 50% chance for rain. On Sunday, about a 70 to 80% chance for rain. Now, as far as those winds are concerned, they're not a factor right now. They're pretty light. Tomorrow, though, those winds strengthen. Looking at sustained winds tomorrow, 7 to 14, gusting anywhere between about 20 to 25 miles per hour. So the winds are on the uptick tomorrow. Also very important, look at the direction of the wind out of the northeast. You know what that means? Dun, dun, dun. The wedge is back. Atlantic air banks up against the mountains. Mountains trap it in place. That means highs over the weekend, Saturday, Sunday in the 60s. I don't think anybody makes it out of the 60s on Saturday and Sunday. Memorial Day, I'm a little more optimistic that at least a couple of us will make it into the lower 70s. But this wedge in play alongside this coastal low means off and on rain is a good bet for us here, beginning late tomorrow and lasting into Monday, potentially even lasting into Tuesday. Now, here's a little bit of perspective for you. It could be worse. Look at Memorial Day 1930. The high temperature in Roanoke was 40 degrees. In Blacksburg in 1969, Memorial Day's high, 40 degrees. We've had days where we've seen 2 to 3 inches of rain in, again, 24 hours. And that happened in 1990, in 1955, and in 1968. On Memorial Day itself, passing showers, scattered showers. I stressed you, the worst of the weather is going to fall Saturday night into Sunday. Monday isn't looking quite as wet. Temperatures right now 51 in Hot Springs, also in Wytheville, 63 Roanoke, 58 in Lynchburg. You're in the middle 50s right now south side. For tonight, increasing clouds, turning mostly cloudy. Overnight lows tonight, not feeling like May, 45 to 51. It's not going to feel like May the entirety of this holiday weekend in the NRV with highs in the 60s. The Highlands, you're not that wet tomorrow. Only a couple of showers possible, and I think most of those will hold off until sunset or after. And in the south side locations, your chance for rain is a little bit higher. Your chance for rain goes up after 2 p.m. tomorrow. Warmest day this weekend will be Monday, where you're at 72. In Lynchburg, you're in the upper 80s to near 90 1 week from today. So we are going to turn hotter with more sunshine as we head into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week. Across the Roanoke Valley, unsettled here late Saturday all the way through Tuesday, drying out with more sunshine. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday finally going to feel like May by the middle of next week. Today we forecast 72. Actual high was 75. $10 in the pot, $680 raised so far for the Virginia Institute of Autism.